Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, we will see how animation works in React application. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. Let's open command prompt and go to the project location. Now, run npm command to install following as shown in video. React Transition Group. React Animation Components. Prop Types. Add few CSS classes for animation, as shown in app component for page enter and exit. In main component, add transition group with CSS transition as subcomponent. Now wrap the switch component within it. Add key, class name and timeout property to CSS transition component. Add location property to switch component. In home component, wrap card within fade transform with exit transform as props. Wrap render suggestion in fade and suggestion in stagger under display suggestion component. Now, if we refresh the browser and check, we can see different animation effects in the application. So, we have seen how animation works in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.